Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you select reminder phases on your My Jewelry app. We'll go to figure out the selection or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here, click on settings. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on notifications. So then you come to next step here, come here to reminder versus here, just click on it. And here at the uh, how was your day today here, and you click on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.